Introducing eresource ERP, the world's only 100% no-code ERP solution. Configure, customize, and go live in just 4 weeks. With Azago, the AI agent inside ERP, simply ask, "Show me monthly sales for 2025," or "Give me 5 high-value items." Just share item name and value. Instant answers, real insights. A modern, intuitive, and trendy user interface, making ERP simple, fast, and a delight to use. Run your entire business on the move. With Mobile ERP, approve POs, check dashboards, and manage operations anytime, anywhere. Implementations are 3 times faster. Go live in just 4 weeks. And with industry-specific ERP for manufacturing, construction, trading, logistics, services, and process industries, eresource speaks your business language. Over 50 success stories in Nigeria alone, and trusted by more than 150,000 users across 3,000+ implementations worldwide. eresource ERP plus Azalea AI. No code. AI-powered, mobile-first ERP. Implement eresource ERP, stay ahead of your competitors, and gain operational excellence.